Hey folks, warming up big time across parts of the valley today. 98 right now in McAllen after touching 100 earlier. Rio Grande City's at 103. Here in the Mid-Valley, we're 95. So is Harlingen and Raymondville. 86 in Port Isabel. Even the island made it up to 83 degrees this afternoon. So warm valley-wide. This is what it feels like when you add the humidity in. The heat index, or your apparent temperature, feels like 96 at the coast, feels like 111 in McAllen, 107 in Rio Grande City, feels like 104 in Brownsville at this hour. These are the dew points, and with the dew point combined with the temperature, it feels hotter than it is. Most of the dew points mid to upper 70s right now. We'll put the 75 on the muggy meter. That is August-like humidity, so if it feels like it's the middle of the summer, that's because, well, it almost is the middle of the summer, weather-wise at least. Low temperatures tonight, look at this, upper 70s for lows, mostly cloudy, warm, and muggy. And then tomorrow, we're back up probably to 100 in the west again. McAllen may make 100 as well. As you move eastward, it's a little cooler, but not much. And even on the island, close to 80 tomorrow afternoon. Normal high for this time of year is 89. We'll be 96 tomorrow. The record's 100, so we'll be knocking on the door. But then look at Friday and Saturday, considerably cooler, 83 and 84. Not because a cool front's going to push through, but a cold front's going to stop right on top of us. That brings clouds and the chance for showers, and that will keep temperatures down. Here's a look at the Doppler network. It has been very, very quiet across South Texas today. And between tonight and tomorrow, it stays that way. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 o'clock in the morning. By the time you get to 4 in the afternoon, still just partly to mostly cloudy, but with that very, very warm. But then look what happens. By tomorrow evening, this is 7:45, most of the models agree on some stuff coming in from the west and the potential for strong storms once again coming in from the west. Now, the models bring it to about the middle part of the valley and then just turn it into rain. So the strong stuff fades away by midnight or so tomorrow night, but still rain possible. Once it shows up, it's going to be in our forecast for a while. Look at this. We've taken the chances up. Tomorrow, late in the day, 40%, and really, by the time you get to tomorrow night, you're at 60%. We hold at that for Friday, and even 50% on Saturday. These are higher numbers than we've had in a couple of weeks, so the chance of rain is up. The last couple of weeks, none of it has developed, but this time, at least the odds are a little better that something will pop up. Now, the Storm Prediction Center has this in the non-severe risk for tonight. Shouldn't be any issues here, but tomorrow we go to marginal, which is 1 on the scale of 1 to 5 on the low end, so not a threat for the most part, but tomorrow night we have to watch. Now, off to the north, pretty good line of showers and thunder showers not coming here. Severe weather in southeast Texas again. All of that moves out. Here comes our front. That front's going to push down into South Texas tomorrow night and early Friday. With it, ahead of it, behind it, the potential for showers and thunderstorms. And the front kind of hangs out here all the way into and through the weekend. And as long as it's in the ballpark, as long as it's nearby, that potential for rain is going to be there. Traveling tomorrow, 73 in San Antonio with thunderstorms in the morning. Dallas is 68, Houston is 77. Most of the state warms up, but look at this, still only 68 in Dallas at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So your first 1-5 AccuWeather the forecast for tonight looks this way. Partly cloudy, warm and humid. Should be a rain-free night, 77. Then tomorrow back to 96. Daytime will just be partly cloudy and hot. It's tomorrow evening and tomorrow night that we have that potential for a thunderstorm. So starting maybe 7 o'clock or so in the western part of the valley, then moving eastward. Thunderstorms are likely on Friday, scattered stuff on Saturday, even Sunday, a spotty thunderstorm for Mother's Day. Looks like Monday, Tuesday, we dry things out, and there's some indication of maybe a shower in the middle of the week. That's your updated first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast.